Aisyah. And I'm Rachel. We are from the Legend of New Village. Today, we are excited to present our innovative creation, Zymagic Block Kit. An innovative, eco-friendly DIY kit designed to empower individuals to transform organic waste into useful and sustainable products at home. This kit allows users to produce their own Zymagic block, a natural enzymatic deodorizer made from everyday kitchen waste such as fruit peels.
To begin, we collect fruit peels like leftover orange or pineapple skin from the school canteen or from home.
We warm up plain water and mix in palm sugar and a pinch of salt. This helps speed up the fermentation process.
Then we add the fruit peels into the container containing the palm sugar solution.
The mixture is left for 2 to 3 weeks to allow natural fermentation. During this time, a chemical reaction takes place, producing a power enzyme solution.
After 2 weeks, we filter the mixture to extract the clean enzyme liquid, which we call Zymagic liquid. We are going to show you how we prepare and package the Zymagic Block Kit, an eco-friendly DIY kit that allows users to create their own Zymagic block at home.
After that, we measure and fill the filtered liquid into a 50 ml bottle for each package.
Then we prepare the glycerin by cutting approximately 150 grams. The glycerin is placed into a small plastic cell bag to ensure it is clean and easy to use.
Next, we include our special design packaging along with a user manual. This guide helps customers understand the steps to produce the Zymagic block at home.
After that, we prepare the mold that will be used to shape the Zymagic block. This allows users to create a neat and solid block form.
Finally, we assemble the box packaging and place all the components inside. Zymagic liquid bottle, glycerin, mold, food coloring, user manual. Everything is neatly arranged to ensure a complete and ready to use kit.
The Zymagic Block Kit is now ready. With this kit, anyone can transform organic waste into a useful, eco-friendly product while learning about science and sustainability. And finally, our very own Zymagic blocks are ready.
Zymagic blocks are highly versatile. Here's how they can be used: as a daily cleaning agent, for bathing or washing clothes,
As a deodorizer spray, just add a few drops to water and spray to remove body odor.
To clean toilets and sink, helps remove dirt and odors effectively.
To deodorize dump sites, also help keep flies away.
As an organic fertilizer, the friendly microorganism
to eliminate bad smells from animal waste.
Together, let's make the world smell better. The eco-friendly way with Zymagic.